In Drupal, your web browser is where you do your updates, edits, and administration. Let's launch a browser and take a look at a typical Drupal site at HSU. You generally can't tell when you visit a site that it's been built in Drupal. It looks pretty much like any other website. You'll only get to see the controls in your browser when you log in as administrator. Depending on your site's construction, there may already be a link to log in, but if not, you can always log in by going to humboldt.edu/name-of-your-site/user. On this example site, I am not logged in as administrator yet, but after I log in, I'll have access to the administrative interface and the tools I need to create and manage pages on my site. The administration toolbar is located at the top of every page. It's split into 3 areas. Links to each of the major administrative sections, dashboard, content, structure, appearance, and so on. The user menu on the right side of the page, which lets you link to your account page, and there's also a logout button. And the shortcuts menu in gray, which is where you can add bookmarks, links to commonly visited pages. If this menu isn't visible, select the small arrow on the far right of the toolbar to bring it into view. Note that clicking the icon in the upper left-hand corner of the menu will always take you to your site's front page. Now you're logged in and are familiar with the Drupal interface, we're going to look at customizing your site using shortcuts and the dashboard. If you want to jump right in and start making changes to your site, feel free to skip ahead to video number 3 in this series. You can set up shortcuts to quickly jump to different admin pages on your site. They're located in the gray bar under the administration menu. If you use a page frequently or have difficulty finding a particular page in the menus, you can add a link to that page in the shortcuts bar. As you browse around the various admin sections on your site, you'll notice that each page title also has a circular icon with a plus sign in it. If you hover your mouse cursor over this icon, the Add to Default Shortcuts link appears. Click on it to add this page to your shortcut bar. You can add up to 7 links to the shortcut bar. You can even organize them into different sets of shortcuts and switch between sets on the Shortcuts tab of your account page. Drupal also comes with a customizable dashboard to which you can add and remove blocks of information that you want to refer to frequently. For example, if your site requires people to register, you might add a Who's New block to your dashboard to easily see a list of the people who've recently registered. To create a custom dashboard, follow these steps. Display the dashboard by clicking Dashboard in the toolbar. Click the Customize Dashboard link. Dotted lines appear around areas where you can place dashboard items, which are shown in a gray area near the top of the screen. Drag any of the dashboard items onto the areas bordered by dotted lines. To remove a dashboard item, drag it back into the shaded gray area. Click Done, and the dashboard will be displayed with your items in place, ready for use. Thanks for watching this video. Next time, we'll take a look at the first steps in customizing your new Drupal site.